I want to show you ClassDojo. I really like this as a great classroom management tool as well as good for communication with parents. I'm going to log in as a teacher. Here I'm going to show you a demo classroom that's set up and all the great features, some of the great features that ClassDojo has to offer. I like that you can create an account and your students all get a wonderful little monster to add. They can customize this. I can show you that in another post. I also like that you can provide positive points for your students. You hear that sound, they get used to that sound, and usually if you give it a couple of points, you get their attention very fast. There's also a sound associated for negative. You give one or two of those, and I promise you your classroom management behavior will change quickly. With this tool, you can communicate with parents under Class Story. You can send this out to all the parents that are connected to the account. I love that you invite parents to connect to the account. Currently have 100% parent participation, and it's awesome. I can send out something one time as opposed to emailing it. It can come from one location. You only need them to be able to connect to ClassDojo. You don't really have to do email anymore. And a new feature that they have this year is portfolios. I'd have to tell you about that one at a different time. But you can actually take pictures of student work, and it goes just to that family. So I really like Classroom Dojo. This application has a lot of great features for classroom management and parent communication. So if you don't have it already or you're not using it, I would suggest you try it out and see how you like it.